Hey, I'm Kate and I'm going to run you through what's in the box. You will receive 2 of these yellow and grey charging boxes, which can charge 8 Indies at any given time. It is super easy to see how to insert the Indi car. Just make sure that the eyes are facing up so that the charger gets inserted correctly. This is Indi. It's a small, compact, colour-sensing robot that your students are going to find incredibly engaging. You will get 16 of these. At the rear of the car, there is a power button as well as the input for charging. How will you know if the Indi needs to be charged? Well, Indi's eyes are actually LEDs and will flash red. The battery should last about 2 hours when the motor is running continuously, which means a full charge should be more than enough across a day. When the power button is pressed on or off, the LED on the top of the Indi will turn on in a rainbow pattern, and you should also hear a sound. This sound is different when turning it on or off, allowing the user to differentiate between the 2 functions. One feature I love is that the Indi will also turn itself off when not in use after a period of time, which is really handy in the classroom if students or teachers forget. The LEDs on the front for Indi's eyes turn on when the Indi has been powered on, making it easy to see whose Indi is in use or has not been turned off yet. If you have ever used Ozobots, you will be familiar with colour sensing robots. There are LEDs on the top, and this changes colour depending on which colour it senses using the sensor underneath the Indi. Also in the Indi kit are the coloured tiles. These durable tiles are for your students to use when coding with Indi. Each has the colour name as well as symbol on each side, making it accessible to more learners. These tiles are great as the material sits nicely on top of carpets or floors and aren't easily moved. So we found that you could use coloured paper instead of the tiles. Just ensure you find the same colour so that Indi will recognise it. Included are these challenge cards. Each card gets progressively more challenging as you work through them. There are also some reminder cards for what each coloured tile will program the Indi to do, useful for those who may need assistance. Lastly, the kit comes with an Indi Educator Guidebook, which has some step-by-step lesson sequences that you could use in your classroom, as well as more information on Indi. It is a great place to start in terms of getting ideas on how to introduce particular components of Indi to your class. In terms of sharing at your school, I would recommend creating a shared resource booking calendar or doc so it is very clear who is borrowing it when. In the lead up to the kit's arrival, I would be looking at current teaching and learning programs and seeing where Indi could enhance that learning and book out the kit for those lessons to ensure you get the most out of the kit. I can't wait to see what innovative and engaging lessons come out of Indi being in your classrooms. Please share any of your successes and questions with our STEM.T4L Facebook and Yammer communities.